Hi everyone. Today I am planning to make everyone's favorite sweet recipe Gulab Jamun using instant mix. For that recipe here I am adding 3 cups of any instant mix in a bowl. Then add little by little water to make a dough. You can add milk instead of water. Grease your palm with ghee. Start making small balls. Make sure there are no cracks in the balls. For crack-free balls, gently apply some pressure while shaping balls. Heat oil on low-medium flame. I have used oil, however ghee can also be used. Fry balls on low-medium flame. Make sure oil is not smoky hot. Keep adjusting the flame. Keep stirring in between until balls become golden brown color. Once the balls are fried, keep them aside. For sugar syrup, add 6 cups of sugar and water in a large pan. Mix well to dissolve sugar. Add cardmom powder to it. Let it boil well for 10 minutes. For this recipe, no need to check string consistency. Boil syrup until sticky. Once the syrup is warm, add fried balls to sugar syrup. Let it soak for 30 minutes to 2 hours before you serve. Jamuns are ready to serve warm or with ice cream. Hope you found this video useful. Share this recipe with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.